Best Email Marketing Autoresponder. The Best Email Marketing Autoresponder is one that you can use to help you build your list. Many of them are free and will allow you to track open prices and aggregate them to improve your campaign. Some of them are even capable of tracking lead response times. Watch the video to learn more about the benefits of each. Aweber offers a free account with up to 500 subscribers and includes complete automation and follow-up campaigns. Hello, and welcome to the Marketer DNA YouTube channel. Willie Desjarnet will navigate you through this video. First, he will discuss Best Email Marketing Autoresponder. Also, he will provide the site link at the bottom of the description.
Okay guys, before you go into the training, I would like to show you a lead capture system that has really grown my email list. It is called Lead Skimmer, and I'll have a link below. Look at my stats. And I'm going to tell you this, look at this, 2,422 leads. Guys, let me tell you this. This actual lead capture page converts, guys. I'm just telling you. I want to show you, let me just show you my inbox really quick. Look at there, Lead Skimmer, Lead Skimmer, Lead Skimmer. No matter where you market it, you will get leads coming into your system. All you got to do is plug in and play. All of this is a part of GlobalNPN. So once you come in and join, and if you start to see emails from GlobalNPN, this is the family. So go ahead and get you a Lead Skimmer account so you can start getting leads just like this really quick. I'll see you guys on the inside. What's going on, my friends? We want to go through another video on email marketing. This one's going to be, what is the best email marketing autoresponder for beginners? So I know it's a lot of autoresponders that are out there, but you want to make sure you get an autoresponder that is got everything kind of laid out from you. Just a regular autoresponder that's very old school, so you can get started. Because some of the fancy bells and whistles can confuse you. So, and you want to have an autoresponder that kind of equip you with leads starting out. So this is just my rendition of it, and I'm going to show you a little bit about it. First, we just go ahead and type in what I'm talking about. Yes, GlobalNPN. GlobalNPN, and I've tried a lot of autoresponders, and I know they have the fancy bells and whistles and things of that nature. But what I like about GlobalNPN, the package that I'm talking about, you can go ahead and get started for 2 weeks for $14 to actually test drive this particular autoresponder. So, and let's go inside the office and let me show you some stuff that maybe pique your interest as far as getting interested in GlobalNPN. Now, GlobalNPN has 4 ways of joining. I always like the director level joining. The reason why I like the director level of joining, it can get you started in what's going on. So let's go into Mail Marketer Pro. That is the autoresponder that is with GlobalNPN, and you can go in and there's video training that help you set up. Guys, this is a simple autoresponder that you can set up, that you can get going. Some of your more advanced, complex autoresponders, the bells and whistles, they cost you. This one has one price for unlimited amount of leads that you can get. So this is just in the back of Mail Marketer Pro. We won't go too far in there, but what I want to show you is all the things that you can get with this Mail Marketer Pro when it comes to getting started. Okay, let's start over here to the left. Here it is. Let's take a look at this. There are video trainings to get you started. There are video trainings how you can watch how this works. They have that's executive level feature. That's the top feature. Okay, then you have the WordPress plugin where you can put a WordPress plugin in and it automatically hooked up to your WordPress, and then it automatically go to your autoresponder. Now let's just talk about this. This is the director level that I'm talking about with this autoresponder. You have where you can create lead capture page with NPN Architect. You have instant blog, NPN Instant Blog. You have cPanel hosting, just regular hosting that you can host your sites on. You have site builders, page creators. This is still in this autoresponder. That's what I'm trying to tell you for beginners. I know this is a lot for a beginner, but I'm gonna show you a few few things that will help you out. If you're here and you're looking for a business, first of all, you want to get leads. That's what an autoresponder for. This GlobalNPN already has a setup system that all you got to do is plug and play. So let's just go through and look at, you have tracking, you have URL rotations. That's just really nice. This is still an autoresponder price. You have video hosting, where you can create a video and send to your leads on your list and train them. And around this particular, you know what? Let me just show you one of my videos. Just gonna show you why we're here, just to make sure you're tracking. Just make sure you're seeing everything. Let's click here, and I'm just gonna show you what when you create a video and you put it on this hosting. Let's go here. I'm going to show you here. Really simple to do. Really simple. Look what goes on, guys. You're actually sending leads. Are you sending things to your leads? They can opt in here. They can join GlobalNPN here. This is kind of a system that is set up, and then you can put content down here to attract them. And this is creating video. And what happened is, when you create a video like this, you don't have the videos to your right to distract you. Then you have your Facebook page, your Twitter account, your Google Plus, your NPN blog. So you got these things that you get. Check this out. We're still talking about an autoresponder, guys. So I'm just wanting you to realize this is all the tools that you have that's easily set up for beginners. It's just right there for you. Now let's just go and look at well, we won't go here. Let's go and look at the links that you can get. My links. All right, this is extremely powerful. This is an autoresponder. And let me tell you something. This particular GlobalNPN and its autoresponder is geared towards any business. You can make a little money if you introduce other people to GlobalNPN. It's just like all the other autoresponders. They have affiliate links. So let's just take a peek at a few of them. We're gonna look at this one. This is your main site. This is what you call your main site that you can go in, and this all you gotta do is put your code in and hook it up to an autoresponder series message, and you're ready to go. Here's the second one. Look at there. This is already set up for you. I mean, that's why I say it's good for a beginner to do that, because they don't have to set these things up. Let's go to the next one. This is getting you started. Look here, automate list building, autoresponder right here. Come right in. That's another method. You can come in here. Look here. This is another method right here that actually take you through a video and train you. And all of a sudden, I don't know if I mentioned this, if you come in at a director level, you get 50 lead to your autoresponder every month, every single month. I don't know many autoresponders just doing that. Here is another training that you can go to and attract people to come into your autoresponder and become leads with you. And then we have training right here. This is just, this thing's already put together for you. And I'm gonna tell you something, guys. This is not publicized. This is not saturated. Look here. This
Hey, this is Jeff Steven here, and
it gives you a little training to get you going, to let you know what it is to join this autoresponder. You know, and this is just stuff that attract leads to your business. See, when you become when you have a autoresponder, you have to do something to attract leads. So yeah, so and what makes so bad, all the training is in the back. All of it is in the back. And this is just not it. You know, here it is. Look at these lead capture pages right here. That's the lead capture page. I'm just gonna copy this, all copy, and then this is where you can get leads right here. Yeah. This is a lead capture page right here. And there's more. All these are lead capture. You know what? That's just not it. We're going through. We're just going through everything. Look here. It is, it'll show you how to do this. Set up your lead cap. These are lead capture plays, plug and play. Already have all this stuff set up for you. That's just not it. This is still in this autoresponder for a measly small amount of money. Here is email swipes. They already got email swipes for you. It's video training how to get this set up for you. You're trying to attract people to for leads, for leads. I'm gonna even show you this. Let's here it is already. I'm talking about already site. This is still a part of this autoresponder. I don't know if people are tracking on this autoresponder. Look at it. Give you a little video.
hey, this is Jeff Steven from
Give you a little video that goes with it. Really nice. Let's you know what? Let's keep going. This one here, really nice right here. Really nice. And what I like about this particular funnel man, you can put all your main businesses up under this, and it'll walk you through the funnel. Really, really nice. And then another thing, this another little tool right here, a lead skimmer. If you know me, you should know me about lead skimmer. Guys, lead skimmer has brought me about 22,500 leads. Just telling, a very powerful system for autoresponder. Guys, and then you can come in and it's NPN architects, and they have tools as a member, man. You get all kind of stuff to make your own lead capture pages to fit your system. But I'm just telling you, if you're a beginner and you want to start out with autoresponder, this is the best set of tools I think that is on the market. All the other autoresponder is just email. So I just want you to check it out. But before you get out of here, so I won't make this video too long, let's get a like and a subscribe to this channel. And I'll have a link below if you want to take this 14-day trial and see if this lead capture autoresponder system is for you. Guys, take care.